Hello, this is Joshua from Farnsworth Electronics, and today I am demoing this little USB soldering iron. It's called a Mega Power. A lot of people come into the store asking for portable soldering iron solutions, so we decided to get a couple of these in to test them out to see if it was something we wanted to carry in the store. It can be powered off a USB port, 9-volt battery. You can plug it straight into your PC, and it has a little LED light to aid in your soldering. So we are going to try it out on video. I have already tried it out at home, and I wanted to show the world what I discovered. So let's take a look in the box and see what's happening with this USB soldering iron. It's a really cool concept. It comes with a USB charger slash splitter, so you have an extra USB connector and the micro USB for powering the soldering iron. We're not going to use that right now. It comes with a sponge, which every soldering station should have. And it also comes with this micro USB lanyard for connecting a 9-volt battery. It extends and clicks into place, which is kind of neat. And the instructions tell you to use, there's the sponge, that you need to use a alkaline 9-volt only. So we have a brand new alkaline 9-volt battery straight from the pack. I'm going to plug this in, and the instructions in the box say that it should charge up and be ready to solder in 20 seconds, and that the maximum temperature is 896 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty good for a little portable soldering iron. So that just plugs in here, and there's the power switch. It's got a cute little LED on it. I am going to attempt to solder these two wire ends together in my little wire holder that I 3D printed from Thingiverse. Standard 6040 solder. It's leaded because lead-free solder is kind of a pain in the butt. Soldering iron comes with this little pen cap, so you can keep it in your pocket. I think that it's been about 20 seconds. Let's see if we can get this to solder. I don't know if you can see this or not. But and see, the problem that I encountered when using this product is that only the very tip of your soldering iron, the very tiny little tip, the pointed end, is the only part that produces heat. So it's really not designed for the application that I'm using it for, which is 90% of what people would be using it for. It's just giving me a cold solder point and not really making a very good connection. Now I'm going to leave this sitting here turned on. Not sure if you can see it, but the tip is smoking. And I've got this infrared thermometer here, and we're going to measure the temperature of that tip, which is supposed to be 896 degrees Fahrenheit from a 9-volt battery. Let's see what temperature we do get. Yes, I'm not sure, you can't see that, but I'm shining it right on the tip, and we're getting about 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, one of the problems with this unit, you can't really tell, but this 9-volt battery is, let's move that over here. This 9-volt battery, the temperature is increasing, and you cannot tell from the video, but this room is starting to stink. The reason why the room is starting to stink is because this unit is designed to backfeed the power back to the battery. If I leave this in long enough, that battery is going to expand and explode, which is not good. I noticed this when I was using it the other night at home trying to test it, and nearly blew up my mother's kitchen. So we here at Farnsworth Electronics do not feel like this is a product that we are going to carry. We are going to listen to our customers and find a portable soldering iron solution that actually does work and is safe. I can already push on this 9-volt battery, and it's malleable, it's bulging, and it's ready to pop. If I leave it in longer, it will expand and then explode. But I'm not going to do that because today's not a very good day to die. So thanks for watching, and stay safe. Have a good day.